In this video, I'll walk you through the process of enabling voice chat on Roblox without ID, step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Getting voice chat on Roblox without ID might appeal to those who value anonymity or are underage but still want to connect with friends through voice. It provides a way to access the feature without revealing personal information. To enable voice chat on Roblox, start by accessing the Roblox homepage on your laptop or PC. Once the page is fully loaded, locate and click on the gear icon situated in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Help and Safety option to proceed. This will redirect you to another page where you'll need to look for and click on the Help and Safety link. Once you select this option, the Roblox support page will open automatically in your browser. On this support page, navigate to the Roblox account section and look for the Keep Your Account Safe link. Clicking on this will direct you to another page. Scroll down slightly until you spot a hyperlink that says, "Need more help? Contact support here." Click on this link to move to the next step. At this stage, you will be taken to the Contact Us page. Here, you need to verify your date of birth. If you do not have identification or prefer not to log in, you can still proceed by directly entering your username and filling in all the required information, including details about the device where you're experiencing issues. Make sure to select the relevant category under the Help section and provide a clear description of the issue you're facing in your own words. Once you have filled in all the information, click Continue. Before completing the process, you will be prompted to solve a verification puzzle to confirm you are not a robot. After successfully solving this, click the Submit button to finalize your request. Following this, you will receive an email from Roblox customer support. Reply to this email, clearly stating that you want to enable voice chat. The customer support team will then guide you through the remaining steps to activate voice chat and resolve your issue promptly. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.